Hola, hola. We are back. This is week 15. Literally just recorded week 14, but oh well. So yes, week 15 of GoMining solo mining. If you watch the most recent one, then you probably already know the total rewards is 0.028230334 Bitcoin. It says it's around, $3,207.29. But what is it actually now? It's actually just over $2 more. Love it. We gotta love it. Gotta love it. The total rewards we got from July 29th to August 4th, which is yesterday, for the total of those 7 days. Oh, damn. This one's actually a lot higher. We got 0.00039 Bitcoin. That beats that average that we were getting of 0.0003 Bitcoin. This one's closer to 4. God damn. Okay, so what is this one? Let's take a guess before we put it in. I don't even know. Last week was 36. This one's a bit more. This one's got to be 40 or above. 44.56. Oh, damn. Okay. Yeah, look at that. I wish I was fucking 2100 terahash I had. This was 2100. God damn. I don't know what just popped up there. I had no idea what just popped up there. That was confusing. Yeah, I wish I had 2100 terahash, because that means last week would have brought in $440 or $445. But oh well, we take what we get, and I will take that. Thank you so much. One thing I did forget to mention in my last video was, if you want to start mining as well, then down in the description I have my referral link where you'll get an extra 5% bonus in terahash on the first miner you purchase. So if you buy 1 terahash, that is 0.05% terahash for free. If you buy 10 terahash, that is 0.5 terahash for free, so half a terahash. If you buy 100 terahash, you literally get 5 free terahash. Let's see how much 5 terahash is. We'll do 4 terahash is $100 alone, plus that. You're looking at $130 free if you get 100 terahash. That's a pretty damn good deal. So yeah, the referral link will be in the description below. Feel free to sign up. All you gotta do is just click the service button daily, maintain that discount, complete KYC. That way you'll be able to withdraw, and you're set. You're mining Bitcoin with your NFTs. Have a good one. See you soon.
Trying to be all I can be. Full metal jacket with a Shiba on me. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hodling. Getting to the money, no time for the gossiping. Hated that job when I was telemarketing.